I'm Richard, this is Garage Trouble, and today we're going to work on my 2000 S2000 named M. It's getting cold here in Nashville, so I have a handful of things that I want to work on because I can't take the car out as often as I normally would. A lot of this is either deferred maintenance and or things that I just haven't gotten around to. M is my 2000 Honda S2000, and M's had a rough year. Back in April, somebody hit M while she was parallel parked. It took upwards of like 6 months to get the paint sorted. And then in October, while M was parked in a valet stand, somebody hit M again. I don't know what it is, but people just aim for this little red convertible. I've owned this car for 5 years, and I've done some minor cleaning, but today we're gonna take out the seats, wipe down all the surfaces, clean the mats, and condition the leather. Underneath it, there should be a little bit for the airbag. Yep, all right. Wait, feels like something else might be attached. All right, I just wanted to give everyone a view under here. We've got that one clip, which has been detached. Looks like we have 1, 2, and 3 more that need to be detached, as that cable runs underneath the floorboard and doesn't look like it can detach itself. You know what? For safety, I'm gonna unplug the battery. Thought process behind disconnecting the battery is I don't know if it's attached to the airbag system. Presumably so. One of these has got to be one of the sensors or whatnot. I doubt it would blow up, but I just don't even want to take a chance. I've got some needle nose pliers, and I'm going to get this clip out, and then I'm going to show you guys everything that I had to take off. Yes. Slow and steady. Slow and steady. There we go. All this filth is why we're doing this today, but here's the one that I think everyone's telling you online you have to remove. But I had to remove all these because this cable runs down here underneath the carpet and there's no connector. So if you got an early model S2000, possibly even the later ones, there's 4 connectors I had to remove to get these seats out. I don't even know what this is. Huh. Let's remove the carpet. It needs to be cleaned. All right, hopefully the other side's easier than that was. Ran into a little trouble with the connectors, and that one bolt was just difficult. It's a 12mm in the front and a 14mm in the back. There we go. Is there anything underneath? No cables underneath. All right. Up and over. Grab the carpets. So this hardware here was installed a couple of years ago, and I just want to ensure that there's no rust buildup or corrosion. And if there is, I'll mitigate it in the near future. Looks good. Looks good. All right. Being that these are the seats, I'm going to go reference the torque specs and not just chugga chugga. So the forum said 16 in the front and 22 in the back. So that's what I'm going to do. Gotta be careful everywhere. Oh yeah, want to check these too. Looks good. Same, no corrosion, no rust. Oh yeah, you got the bug. How do I do this without hitting that? Like that, apparently. Holy shit. That kinda worked. Oh, it just didn't make a sound, but it's in place. Turn you around. 1, 2. Let's reconnect the battery. So that's it for this episode of Garage Trouble. We got the interior deep cleaned, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.